already. I'm going to make my other World War II project, a prop rifle. So just drew out the layout of it. So I'm going to turn this piece of wood into this. Okay, I just finished cutting out the Enfield rifle. As you can see, it's just a regular 2x8. I just finished cutting it out with a jigsaw. So this is how it's going to look right now. It's like a coating of a icing cake, you know, just smear it on, dries out, and after doing that, I sand it down with a file, mold it, carve it, make it smooth, and this thing works very good, by the way. But I also recommend to use it outdoors, not indoors, because it stinks. I just finished putting Bondo on my rifle here, and I'll be making this. I'm going to start painting this part, working on this part here. So I'll be working on this part here using just a regular silver and gray paint. So I'm going to turn this part into this. This is what I got so far. I just made the front end. I gotta really fix this one here again and put some bolts on there. I made this out of a Bondo, this magazine. This is made out of hard plastic I had to cut out in shape. I finished painting the part here black, and I'm also adding some silver to give it some old weather-beaten used look. So this is what it's going to look like right now. So also doing this part too as well, adding some silver on here to give it a natural weather-beaten look for this prop. Okay, my next process is using wood finish. I'll be using a sponge brush to paint it over all over the place. So it'll give it a natural look, plus also it acts as a coating towards the acrylic paint, so it won't scratch off and anything at all. So that's my next process. This wood finish gives it a nice shiny gloss to it, eh? So it works pretty well too as well. There's a big difference to it. You can see the shine on it. So which is good. Usually it's dry for like 2 hours. You can add another coating as well. Alright, I just finished making my rifle prop. It's a Lee Enfield Mark IV rifle prop, and it's very light, less than maybe 2 pounds. It's made of wood. A lot of work I did to this rifle is to try to go as much as detail as I can. And this is going to be used as a movie prop for upcoming movies. So I did as much as I can. It even comes with a bolt action as well. So thank you for watching the video.